how to add music on Canva video. So if you want to add music on Canva video, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to open up your Canva, go with canva.com and make sure to log into your account. Now once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with your Canva video. For example, I'll be choosing a random video. Now once you've selected the video, what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the left side, which has that uploads option. Once you click on uploads, now here on the right side you will have audio. You can simply go with audio, or you can record yourself and you can add your recorded voice to it. But you can go with the audio section and then you can upload or drag the media here. So you can go with Google Photos, Instagram, or Drive, or any other applications, and then you can add your audio. So I'll just check my file explorer, and here I'll upload the audio file. Once you've uploaded, here you will have your audio file, right? You can simply click on it and the audio file has been added right here. You can see the audio file right here. If you click on it, it will expand the audio file. So that's how you can add music on your Canva video or audios on your Canva video. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.